Hi! Welcome to Quick Visa and Immigration Update with Kavisang Isa. 90 days family visa sa Amerika? Totoo ba ito? Since last week, I've been receiving messages from our friends and clients in United States asking about the 90-day family visit in United States. A lot of videos circulating online regarding this. So para mas malinaw, iklaro lang natin ano ba yung tinatawag na 90-day visa. They call it VWP visa, Visa Waiver Program. Visa Waiver Program enables citizens and nationals of participating countries to travel to United States for a 90 days for business or tourism. To clarify who's eligible to apply, makikita po natin sa screen ang mga countries listed. If you can see on our screen, Philippines is not listed. Meaning to say, kinakailangan nating mag-apply ng temporary visitor's visa if we wanted to visit our family members in United States for 90 days. I hope this video will give clarification about the 90-day visa. For more information on how to apply temporary visitor's visa or B1, B2, you can contact Immigrant Visa Center. Our number is on our screen. Or if you have a visa question, whether US, Canada, Australia, UK, or New Zealand, and even Schengen countries, you can send your inquiries here so that we will discuss in our next topic. Hanggang sa susunod na Visa and Immigration Update, ito ang inyong ka-visa nagsasabing, basta visa, itanong nyo kay Isa.